He Ain't Heavy, He's My Brother. The lyrics to the title tune, made popular by the Osmond brothers, and the motto of all the orphan guys in the institution Father Edward Flanagan founded, the Boys Town. The 77-year-old institution holds a special place in the President's hearts, and today he made his traditional pilgrimage to the center, not only housing orphan boys, but the homeless and the disabled as well, as PTV's Clazel Pardilla reports.
As Christmas draws near, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. is working tirelessly to spread the holiday cheer. The president focused his efforts on Manila Boys Town, a facility that provides care and shelter for orphan children, the homeless, senior citizens, and persons with disabilities. He distributed boxes of Christmas packages, essential goods, rice, and hygiene supplies to more than 700 beneficiaries.
Merry Christmas sa inyo lahat. Kami po ay nandito dahil talagang nagsimula na ang Christmas season. Paskong Pasko na. At sino ba ang dapat nating puntahan at magregalo? Kaya kami nandito para magdala ng kaunting regalo.
For 77 years, Manila Boys Town has been a beacon of hope, offering home, care, and support to those in need. President Marcos Jr. reassured the community that the government will never forsake them and has their welfare always in mind.
May future itong mga batang ito, no? Kaya tuloy-tuloy ang aming tulong sa inyo, tuloy-tuloy ang aming pag-alala sa inyo. Huwag niyo pong isipin kahit na sandali na kayo'y nakalimutan.
Despite the challenges brought by recent calamities, the president vowed to deliver aid and services that will bring joy and relief to Filipinos this Christmas season.
Sinabi ko nga kagabi, ang aking Christmas wish, kahit sinong Pilipino, dapat naman magkaroon ng kahit papano maramdaman ang Christmas spirit at magkaroon ng Merry Christmas.
From PTV Manila, Clazel Pardilla, Balitang Pambansa.